Hey guys, in this video we'll cover another few objectives for the MO-200 exam, and namely how we can create a table from a cell range, apply table styles and convert tables back to a cell range. Before we start, as always, I encourage you to subscribe so that you don't miss out on any new training content, and now let's begin. So I have inserted here a sample data from this site. And in order to convert this cell range to a table, we have to firstly select it, go to the Insert tab. Notice that this data has headers. So we go to the Insert tab, click Table. Now it correctly recognizes our cell range, and make sure to check that my table has headers. Click OK. And that's it. We have converted a cell range into a table. The next objective is to apply table styles. These are found on the Table Design tab. So firstly, you have to click into the table you want to format, go to Table Design, and here are all the available designs. Again, in the exam, you would be asked to apply a specific style with a specific name, so make sure to navigate those quickly. I will go with this one. Perfect. And the last objective is to convert this table into a cell range, meaning we will lose the functionality and features of a table and we'll have just normal Excel cells. So we have to select it. And again, on the Table Design Context tab, click here, Convert to Range. Perfect. Now, it has still some table formatting, meaning the colors and so on, but it doesn't have any functionality of the table. And if we want to make it look normal, we select it and click here on the Home tab, Style Normal, like that. Just one more thing, I would like to showcase again the objective in row 17, which is to freeze worksheet rows and columns, and this is especially useful for tables. So when we click here and go to the View tab, click Freeze Panes, Freeze Top Row. Sorry, in this case we need to click Freeze Panes. And now everything above this row, so left from here and up from here, is freezed. So now when I move down, we still see the headers, which is super useful for tables. Yeah guys, so that is everything for this video. I hope you find it useful. If so, smash that like button and we'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye.